Hi, my name is David P. Shapiro. I'm the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P. Shapiro, located in San Diego, California. My firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to answer a common question that we hear a lot of times, talking about whether your case will be prosecuted in state court by the San Diego City Attorney's Office or the San Diego District Attorney's Office. What's the difference between the two? Well, a lot of things. One is, if your case is dealing within the city of San Diego, there's an option that your case could be prosecuted by the San Diego City Attorney's Office if it is a misdemeanor. In all likelihood, if your case is a misdemeanor, your prosecutor will be an attorney with the San Diego City Attorney's Office. They prosecute things like DUIs, petty thefts, violence, and even some sexual assault offenses like sexual battery or indecent exposure. Molest. Within the city attorney's office, obviously they have vertical units, family protection, sex crimes along those lines. If your case is being prosecuted as a felony in state court in San Diego within the city of San Diego, in all likelihood, with a few rare exceptions, those exceptions being the attorney general handling the matter, nearly all the time your case will be prosecuted by an attorney from the San Diego District Attorney's Office. Depending on the case, you may have the same district attorney throughout the case. It may be who's ever there that day. It may be a supervisor at certain status conferences, and it'll go from there. Anywhere else in the county of San Diego, so we're talking Vista, we're talking Chula Vista, El Cajon, misdemeanor or felony, almost exclusively your case will be prosecuted by the San Diego District Attorney's Office. Same office that different branches between Central San Diego and the other three branches. And any juvenile matters, misdemeanor or felony, to be clear, within the city of San Diego or not, you're dealing with the San Diego District Attorney's Office. Well, why does that matter, right? A prosecutor is a prosecutor. Well, not necessarily, right? There are certain things at the San Diego City Attorney's Office, certain positions they take, certain things that matter more to them that might not necessarily matter to a district attorney. There are certain things that a district attorney may really hone in on, and it matters to them, their office, their supervisors, where the city attorney's office might not be so interested. There's also different ways to go about negotiating office versus San Diego District Attorney's Office, and also different mechanisms on how you want to take a case to trial or when you want to take a case to trial. And the only way really to do that, and the best way to do that, in fact, is by hiring a quality, locally experienced criminal defense firm who, one, knows the differences between the two offices, two, can appreciate the differences between the two offices, and three, can maximize those differences because of that attorney's familiarity with those two offices to your benefit, right? You as the criminally accused, or you as the loved one of a criminally accused if he or she is in custody, and you're doing the research for them by looking at videos like this and finding out which locally experienced San Diego-based criminal defense law firm is best for their case. So it is essential that the law firm you hire to represent you in your time of need knows there's a difference, knows what those differences are, knows who the key players are at the San Diego City Attorney's Office versus San Diego District Attorney's Office, and equally, if not more important, actually has a positive relationship with those individuals, has their respect, has earned their respect, and they know who they are, or at least know who their office is and know what they're about, and knows that their word can be taken, right, for what it is, and their word is strong, and they have a good reputation, and they're willing to try cases and take cases to trial if that's in their client's best interest. And not only that, they're good at trial. They have success at trial, and have had success at trial in similar cases. All reasons why, whether you're facing a misdemeanor petty theft with the city attorney's office, a misdemeanor DUI with the San Diego City Attorney's Office, or a life felony where you're facing the rest of your life in prison if you get convicted, whether it's with my firm or any other firm in San Diego, you know, the small number of them out there that will likely have as much experience or can handle your case at a high level as we can, make sure you reach out and make sure you do your research on those firms. And make sure you select a firm that has a reputation, that has the experience, that can maximize all that for you or your loved one when dealing with the San Diego City Attorney's Office or dealing with the San Diego District Attorney's Office. So if you have a question about your case, misdemeanor or felony, state court, San Diego County, City of San Diego, Chula Vista, or El Cajon, you can always reach out to my firm. Again, my name is David Shapiro. I'm a San Diego criminal attorney where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. 619-295-3555.